Good morning, lovies, and welcome to another video. So, I thought I would start this video out because it's early in the morning. Well, it's not super early. I already took my dog for a walk. We're still in, the heat index today is 104. So I got up super early to take my dog for his walk, and I about melted into a puddle. So, I'm working on another video. I already had 1 cup of coffee, so it's about mid-morning. We lost our power last night, so my clock isn't working. So it's sometime in the morning. So I thought I would make another recipe that I saw on TikTok. Because I seem to watch a lot of food videos on TikTok. All these healthy food videos. So I have another TikTok maybe make it video for you. So it's a breakfast. So it's eggs, it's ground sausage, and it's hash browns, and it's cheese. And again, a muffin pan, and it looks delicious. So I think we're gonna make it, and it's so simple. You cook up the, let me grab it. We're gonna cook up the breakfast sausage. Let me grab it for you. Ooh, here we go. So I have this nice package of breakfast pork sausage. We're gonna brown that up. That's a lot. Is that a pound? Yeah, it's a pound. We got some eggs, hash browns, and cheese. And you basically brown up the sausage, throw the eggs in, and then at the bottom of the muffin pan, you put your frozen hash browns, and then you pour the sausage and the egg mixture on top of that, top with cheese, and you bake it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes until the egg is done, and voila, you have this cute little breakfast muffin. So let's try it out. First thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 350, and then I'm going to get my sausage going. Green's my favorite color. Let's see what the hat hair situation. Oh, not too bad. Let's see what the hat hair situation is with the new haircut. It's super humid, but we're just doing it. Look at this perfect spider web. I don't know if my camera will pick it up. In the sun, I don't think it will. Gosh darn it. It is like iridescent. No, my camera won't pick it up. Maybe just a little. See the rainbow colors? It's magnificent. Maybe I can pick it up from the trail. Now my camera won't pick it up. It's incredible though. Look, there's another one. It's a spider web. When the sun reflects on it, it looks purple, green, orange. That is so cool. Look at that. That's really cool. This is like a bridge. We're in a heat wave. So I think this was water. So wondering if that's a beaver dam. That's really cool.
No, it's a pipe. Pipe here, and it went the whole way right down, right over there.
Oh, really?
Because there's where the pipe comes out over here, and the water would have flown right through there, down through that pipe. There's probably a trail or something over there.
These are pretty. They smell pretty.
That was sick.
after walk. 2 miles. This is the victory. I can't tell you how good that feels. It is so hot and so humid, but it was worth it. That is the victory. Water all over you. Get in the car, you know that you did well.